little bit, whether he's playing with Stammer or whether he's playing maybe on a third line checking.
Here's Perry. He scores! Corey Perry!
Long drought for him. A guy who's been a scorer ever since he first stepped on NHL ice. He's had a couple of big droughts this year. And this one, you can see the relief for him. He's had some chances, yeah, not as many as he would like. But how
20-goal watch for him is back on. There's a turnover, puck by Palat. Another guy needs to bump a slump. Point, play, in, he scores!
He's too good. He's too smart. He knows what you want to do. And he intercepts this puck, and Fitzgerald is caught. And now, Brayden Point, who had a chance from right down the middle of the ice. He knows his winger needs a goal really badly. He doesn't take the shot. He gets it to Palat. And Palat, I watched them in practice the other day.
He can really control this puck from the get-go. Here's Hedman with a lane. Hedman backhander and just recovering in time with Samuelson. Comes back in front. Hager scores!
They really needed to score and get some more confidence as well. But when you get your D-men up on the play like Victor Hedman and then watch two guys go to him, and because there are two guys there, that means they're one short in front of the net. And Brandon Hagel just kind of sifts his way in there, reads the play, sees what's happening. Cirelli
made 45 saves in a row. There's a backhander, knocked down, rebound to McDonough. Across, Nikita Kucherov.
McDonough moving in from the point is going to be a key on this play as they come out of their zone. See McDonough flying out of his own end to get the puck into the zone. Kucherov will drift over to his right wing side. But when McDonough gets it, look at McDonough with his head up. Buffalo has a lot of players in the middle of the ice, and they're trying to read, but Kucherov is in behind everybody.
Colton in front, there's a chance. Stamkos can't wrap it around. Nice play out in front. They score!
Stuff. You got to win battles along the wall. Stammer started it, but then the exchange coming out of that corner, and Stammer almost pulled off a beauty, but then he stayed with it. He didn't just go